guys, Stephen Phillips here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at UWS's Secure Lock Box, and with WS, or Kurt Group, we have Brian Farley. How you doing, Brian?
I'm well. How are you, Stephen?
I'm doing great. So Brian, before we get started into this specific box, tell us more about what makes UWS boxes stand out.
Okay, first of all, we do own the patent on a foam injection system for our
Okay.
lid. That is important to add strength and integrity to the box.
Okay. And some people actually stand on them, is that correct?
Yes, sir. People actually stand on to wash the cab of their trucks.
Very nice. Now, more about the build quality of this specific box. What makes the Secure Lock Box what it is?
Okay, this Secure Lock Box, we do offer bed rug carpeting, Velcroed in. You can take it out, pressure wash it, dry it, and then put it back in. Also has a sound deadening property to the box.
And that's one of my favorite things about that is when you close the lid, it almost makes no noise at all. Just really premium.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Also with this box, we do offer premium handles. There are locks on both sides.
Okay.
So you can lock one side and lock the box, or you can lock both sides and lock your box.
So that's where that name Secure Lock comes
Absolutely. More of the construction line of the box, we do offer screwdriver holders. This actually doubles as a gusset to the end of the box.
Okay.
All your weight is carried into your box right here. Rod protector plate we do offer. Protects that connecting rod between the two handles.
And that's like if any tools shake up? down the road,
Important
is that
because,
right?
yeah, if the guy loads the sawzall in here, the blade comes up, jabs the hand. It
Gotcha. Makes
prevents
sense.
it from opening.
Yeah.
And we do offer 3-compartment tray, all of our crossover boxes.
Very good. Now, moving on from the build quality to the styling of the box, this is a matte black, looks great, but do you offer any other finishes out there?
Yes, we do. We do offer gloss black. We also offer a diamond plate, and we also offer a rail system on the top of this thing.
And I'm sure all
Yeah.
those look great too.
Yeah, added storage space.
Very good, very good. Now, what about warranty? Where's this product made?
Okay, this is made in the USA, and it has a limited lifetime warranty.
Excellent. Now, moving on very briefly to the installation because there's really not a lot to say, but tell us how that all works.
Okay, we do provide the box already with a slot punched in it for your bed rail. We do provide 2 J-hooks.
Yep.
That's all you're going to use to put this on there. Make sure when you do the mounting, you grab the bed rail.
Now, what would you say the time limit on this would be? About 30 minutes, more or less?
15 minutes.
Okay, and you can do this by yourself,
By yourself,
really?
absolutely.
Okay. Very good. So a very simple installation. If we were to rate this in the garage, I would say about a 2 of 10 would be that right spot. All right, guys, that really is all there is to it, to the Secure Lock Box from UWS. Brian, thank you for coming in today. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you, Stephen.
Yes, sir. Now, guys at home, if you want any more details about the Secure Lock Box, check the description below the video. We'll have everything for you there from a part number all the way to a dealer locator, so you can find this product at a dealer near you. Now, if you like the video, leave us a like. If you love the video, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications anytime we release a new video. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Performance Corner in the Garage.